Welcome to my channel. Today we will prepare delicious chicken ghee roast. Take 500 grams of chicken and add 2 tablespoons of curd, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now mix it and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the masala, which includes 13 to 15 Byadagi, 7 teaspoons of coriander, half teaspoon of fenugreek, 1 time of cumin, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 2 cardamom, 2 cloves and cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of fennel, 7 garlic and 6 cashews. Fry it nicely and transfer it to mixer jar. Now add tamarind and jaggery and make a fine paste. In a kadai, add 4 tablespoons of ghee, 1 chopped onion and saute it well. Now add the ground masala and cook for about 10 minutes. Now add marinated chicken and let it cook till the chicken is fully cooked. Then add salt and curry leaves and stir well. Add some ghee and serve the delicious chicken ghee roast.